In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to edit your videos using Google's powerful and user-friendly platform, Filmora. Whether you're a beginner or have some experience in video editing, these steps will help you enhance your footage with ease. So let's dive in and discover the magic of Filmora. First, you'll want to make your way over to Filmora. Head to your preferred web browser and type in the URL or simply search for Filmora on Google. Once you're on the site, you'll be presented with a clean interface. Filmora is known for being accessible, so even if this is your first time exploring video editing, you'll find it quite straightforward. Now locate the video you want to edit from your library or upload a new one if you haven't done so already. Simply double-click on the video file you wish to modify. This action will bring the video into the editing suite where all the magic happens. You'll notice various options and settings on the right-hand side of the screen. These are your video editing tools, which we'll be focusing on today. On the right side, you'll find a tab labeled Color. Clicking on this will open up a selection of options that allow you to adjust the visual aesthetic of your video. You can tweak the brightness to make the video lighter or darker depending on your needs. Don't be afraid to experiment a little here because you can always revert to the original settings if needed. Next, you have the contrast setting. This control helps to define the sharpness between the light and dark areas in your video. Altering the contrast can add depth and make your video pop. It's all about striking the right balance to fit the mood or style you're aiming for. Finally, pay attention to the saturation slider. This tool allows you to infuse your video with vibrant color or tone it down for a more muted, understated look. Increasing the saturation will amplify the colors, making them appear more vivid and lively, while decreasing it will give your footage a softer appearance. Again, play around with these settings until you find the perfect color balance for your video. And that's it. You've edited your video successfully. With these simple steps, you now have the know-how to adjust the basic visual elements of your video using Filmora. Remember, practice makes perfect, so don't hesitate to explore and try different combinations until you achieve the desired look. When you're satisfied with your edits, you can export your video. Filmora offers multiple export options for different formats depending on your needs, whether you're sharing online or saving to your device. So there you have it, your comprehensive guide to editing videos on Filmora. Thank you for joining me today, and I hope you found this tutorial helpful. Happy editing, and stay tuned for more insightful tips and tricks in our upcoming videos.